Alright, my name's Gary. Kind of started a YouTube channel, Old Iron Machine Works. This will be one of my main videos. First video, not much talking in front of a camera, but this is my latest purchase. 1961 Regal LeBlanc 26-inch swing lathe. It came with the 12-inch 3-jaw, and I was able to find it, and I live in California, Rio Vista, the heart of the Delta, and I found a 20-inch Bison in Cleveland, Ohio that I had shipped. It is a 200-pound chuck, 20-inch 4-jaw with a L2 spindle built right into it. I needed a way. As you see here, I don't have a whole lot of height in here. I don't have room for cherry pickers. I really didn't want to build a swing for the chuck, but I needed to be able to get the chuck on and off. So I basically built this rack and all the attachments for removing the 12-inch chuck and installing the 20-inch chuck. It'll all be done. This is the track system here, which everything will sit on. These are the different saddles. This is the saddle that'll go on it to remove the 12-inch. This is the saddle that'll go on for installing the 20-inch. These will actually be used for lifting, which you'll see in the video later. And it's all going to be able to be done by using this cart right here, which is a Vestal. We picked one up at work, and I really loved it so much where I came across one on eBay at a good price. Let's go ahead and swap out the chuck. So first thing we're going to do is grab the carriage, and the carriage is basically made with the 6-ball bearings that sits on the track. It's got pins here that will align to the carriage. So there's no, just throw it on there, set it on there, everything's self-aligning. Track sits on like so. Rolls back and forth. And then they come over here. And I grab this. Put that out of the way. Now I come over here. And I grab this saddle here, and that saddle, you just got to get the pins aligned. That drops in like so. At that point, that just slides right up underneath here, just like so. At this point, and I don't think this is too loose, I think it's fairly okay. It was just snug. At this point, once this backs off, the weight of it just sits right down on the carriage. That just slides over there. At this point, I take this bar, slide it in like so. Snug it up. Now I bring in the cart. Let's get rid of the chuck key. Okay, now we're just sliding over here. Now these I made to where they just sit on here, so they just come off and get out, moved out of the way. These are just for storage. Okay, at that point, at this point here, okay, I kind of, since this is, I haven't played with it too much since I built it, I only use the blocks when I'm putting the big chuck on, because I got to raise the chuck high enough to get it on the saddle. When I'm pulling it off, I don't use the blocks. Just these cradles here. Okay. At this point, now I throw these blocks in because I need the extra height. Okay. All right, this saddle comes off. Okay, we're rolling. Okay, at this point, we're done with these. They'll hang on the frame. Take the blocks. Blocks go on. This saddle comes off, and it'll just get set to the side for right now. Now we'll grab the saddle for the big chuck. Okay. Slide it right in there, put it over the carriage, and let it down. done with that. Now we can take this piece out. Okay, at this point now, we just line up the key here to where it starts. Okay, once it snugs up, it'll lift it right up and off of the saddle. Now, everything was already wiped and cleaned. Once that snugs up, that lifts it right up off of here, and that just pulls out. These come back off. Saddle comes off. Everything sets back on the frame. That's how I get my big lathe chuck on. I hope you enjoyed this. I have not personally seen anything done like this, but I thought it would be a. Most of the time, I've never had a lathe with that large of a chuck. I've had an 18-inch chuck, and the 4 jaws were always kind of a pain to take on and off. And I wanted to make something that, you know, that's a little bit easier for swapping chucks. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, subscribe, and hopefully I'll be coming out with more videos. Thanks for watching.
Okay, whenever you're ready.
Okay, at this point I'm just going to put stuff back on the cart. Kind of keep everything together. Okay, then that can be tucked out of the way. Put my box here. Okay, I went ahead and snugged up the, I already snugged up the chuck. And let's see how she goes here. Now this has a clutch brake if you want to. You can bring it to a coast, or it does have an electric brake. I have a upcoming project, which is a vintage Yates American 20-inch bandsaw, where I have to turn the 20-inch wheel. The hub goes onto the motor, has excess wear on it, so I will be machining a tapered collar, kind of like a QD hub, to lock it onto the motor. Bye, YouTube.